understand that feeling of quiet desperation when your own body feels like a mystery. But did you know that over 60 million people are affected by digestive diseases, with women often bearing the brunt of the discomfort? This isn't just about discomfort, it's about reclaiming your vitality from the inside out. Today, we explore a traditional practice through a modern scientific lens. At the heart of our well-being lies the digestive system, a complex and beautiful ecosystem. Central to this is the liver, our master metabolic organ, tirelessly filtering and processing everything we consume. As leading research from institutions like the Cleveland Clinic explains, supporting our body's natural detoxification pathways is fundamental. When the liver and gut are in harmony, the entire body benefits, from our energy levels to our clarity of mind. Enter the castor oil pack. This is a traditional wellness practice involving the application of castor oil to the skin using a cloth. The theory is that the combination of the oil and gentle, sustained warmth helps to soothe the nervous system. This process encourages a shift into the parasympathetic state, our rest and digest mode, which is crucial for optimal digestive function and creating a calming, restorative experience for the body. Let's walk through the process. You will need 3 items: a high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil, a piece of organic cotton or wool flannel, and a heat source. First, lay out your flannel and saturate the central part with about 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Place the saturated cloth directly over your liver area, on the right side of your abdomen. Cover it with a protective layer, then apply your heat source. Rest comfortably for 45 to 60 minutes. This is your time to disconnect and allow your body to relax deeply. While the pack is a wonderful tool for relaxation, true digestive resilience is built from within, day by day. The grand resolution begins with radical nourishment. First, the microbiome power-up. Your gut contains trillions of bacteria, and you must feed the good ones. The solution is to add 1/4 cup of a fermented food, like sauerkraut or kimchi, to your lunch daily. These are potent probiotics. Pair this with 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed in your morning meal, a powerful prebiotic that provides the fuel for these beneficial microbes to thrive. Second, the polyphenol protocol. These plant compounds are remarkable antioxidants that protect your gut lining. The goal is 1 cup of dark berries, like blueberries or blackberries, and 2 squares of at least 85% dark chocolate each day. This combination actively fights the low-grade inflammation that can undermine digestive health, creating a stronger, more resilient gut barrier. These are not suggestions, they are precise foundational actions for change. Our final resolution integrates this nutritional foundation with the powerful mind-body connection. As researchers at institutions like Johns Hopkins Medicine have shown, the gut-brain axis is a two-way street. Chronic stress can directly harm your digestion. Therefore, our third solution is the vagal tone technique. Before each meal, you must activate your rest and digest nervous system. Practice 4 to 7-8 breathing for just 3 minutes. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for 7, and exhale completely through your mouth for 8. This simple act stimulates the vagus nerve, telling your stomach to prepare for food. Finally, avoid this common mistake: consuming foods with industrial seed oils like soybean, corn, or canola oil. These are highly inflammatory and can disrupt cellular function. Actively read labels and replace them with extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil for cooking. By combining targeted nutrition with mindful nervous system regulation and eliminating inflammatory triggers, you create a powerful, synergistic strategy for lasting digestive peace and vibrant, long-term health.